vehicle just blew by. He's crashed into the refinery. Okay, nail him now. Looks like he's got no intention of stopping. We'll probably, let's do a 1075 if I can get around him.
Cover units, be advised. Vehicle was last reported eastbound. Quadrant has been authorized. Additional units will be provided in detail to the perimeter. Stay tuned for updates.
Dispatch, give me a Rhino truck over here ASAP. What we're doing is having no effect.
Copy. X-ray 11. Your heavy has detailed and is a couple minutes away.
He's flipped it! He's flipped it!
Ten-4 driver has been arrested. District supervisor is en route requesting you secure the scene.